What's up? Anybody following Ford Boss Me out there? This guy does not hold back, and I respect him for that. Good for you. Straight up and down told that the UA, Ford, whoever these guys are, the people who speak for the Ford for the strike, said that you guys are fucking cars up right on the assembly line and don't give a shit. I've said this before. It starts right in the manufacturing plant. Why would you want to reward employees who are doing a shitty job? Why? And Ford Boss Me only scratched the surface in that. And Ford Mastertech Moco Loco, same thing with him. He said some shit about the F-150 and the EV Lightning that just points the finger right back at the employees. It isn't just the people who make the parts. It's people who install them as well. They are blowing the lid off of this. Late to work, drinking on the job, getting high. Oh yeah, you wonder why the quality of Ford is such shit? You got to look in the mirror. And then you put this shit back on the consumer. Sunroofs with no drains in them, trash shoved under the back seats, drinking and smoking on the job. He was just tearing them up. And you know what? Good for you, because do your fucking job. You're getting paid for that. No excuse for that shit. Leaving parts out, putting the wrong parts in the car. And he was like, I had enough of this. He goes, I'm seeing this at the dealership level and saying, this is bullshit. Yeah. These guys are blowing the roof off. But then reward people for doing a shitty job. That makes sense. That's the American way, isn't it? Good job, Ford Boss Me and Ford Moco Loco Mastertech. And it's a Toyota car nut. The car nut. I keep saying the Toyota guy. It's the Toyota car nut.